Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making our own custom Poppet chocolate bars. So you will need some Poppets, obviously, some Smarties, and some leftover chocolate. You can do this because for Easter you probably got a lot of chocolate, and if you get bored of the plain old chocolate eggs, you can make your own custom Poppet chocolates. Okay, so first we're going to take our leftover chocolate and put it inside of a bowl. No, you want to help?
Yeah.
Almost done.
I
Let's split it. Ready? Oops. Okay, let's dump in the leftovers. So once you put in all of your chocolate into your pot, you are going to ask a grown-up to heat it up. So Mila, can you go take this to Mommy?
Yes.
Okay. Now you're going to take your Poppet and you are going to fill all the holes with some Smarties. So here you go. I'm gonna dump them out. Okay, so now I'm all done putting in the Smarties in the Poppet. Okay, so now our chocolate is melted. So now we are going to pour it inside of our Poppets. Make sure you ask an adult to pour it in because it's very hot. Okay, once you're done pouring all the chocolate into your Poppet, you want to spread it out, and then you can take little chocolates and put them everywhere. Make sure you don't burn yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah?
What are you doing?
I'm putting through. There. You done?
No.
Okay, so once you are done pouring in the chocolate, you are going to wait until it is room temperature. Then you're going to put it in the fridge to make it extra hard. You want to put it in the fridge?
Sure.
Okay. Miller, how many Easter eggs do you think you got for Easter?
Lots. I didn't count them. I can't count them.
Did you like Easter?
Yeah.
What did you get?
A new Patrol Castle. Castle. Yeah.
How many gummies did you get?
0.
0.
I think.
I got like a few gummies.
I think I forgot them. How many gummies I got? So I think I have 0. 2.
Let's say thank you to the Easter Bunny. Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Easter Bunny. Bye-bye.
Okay, so we them inside of the fridge for a couple hours, and they look really good. Look at these. So now we're going to pop them out, and then you have some nice chocolate to eat. I'm gonna like peel it from. Oh man, Miller, you did it. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, I get it. I'm trying not to break it. Take a bite. See how it tastes. Does it
Good.
taste good? Yeah.
I didn't try the M&M part. This is like hard.
Smarty part, you mean?
Yeah, smart.
Smarties make you smart.
Smarty make you smart.
Oh, I got it. I got it. I think I got it. Well, the unicorn horn fell off, but that's okay. I'm like popping it so it comes out. Ugh. I did it! Yes, there's still chocolate in the unicorn horn. Mmm. Tastes good. Now mine's a horse.
See?
Because I ripped off the unicorn horn.
And now mine is a soccer ball.
Mmm. Let's go.
I got the Smarty.
Okay.
Smarty.
Is it gum? Bestest thing ever?
What's 2 plus 2?
4. Okay, so they're really good, and I love them. You can do all different colors of Smarties. So we're done. So okay. So now they're done. Its taste and looks really good. So bye guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that hit that like button and smash that subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye. Good.